Hello guys, and welcome to the final day of the manual swap and like the days in this garage. We have actually been doing a lot of stuff lately, and this manual swap is complete. We have the exhaust and everything now mounted back together, and everything is just as it should be, a new clutch installed and everything. So we have even more upgrades to the car now. I can show you now. We have a new lip. I was supposed to buy an M3 bumper, but instead I'm choosing to save the money and I bought this M3 lip instead, which I put on the original bumper. So you see it right there. It's on the bottom right here. I think it looks pretty good, and I'm also going to change out this grill stuff. I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to change out that to something else. Maybe have like it's covered the whole part and have some holes all the way. I don't know. And we got some new blink lights. The other ones had really bad fitments. They were from a sedan, but this is for a coupe or cab. So this is a lot better, as you can see. So yeah, the car is starting to shape up pretty nicely, as you can see. And I also finally took out the fog light, which had a river in it. I can show you footage of me draining it. Yeah, so now finally that is out, and I'm going to replace that with another one, because I'm sure the electronics are very bad because of all the water inside it. A lot of stuff is happening. And I'm also, not only the blink lights were from a sedan, but also the mirrors were from a sedan. But now we got new mirrors from a cab or a coupe. Those are the same, I think. So we got these with tinted mirrors here. You see they look pretty bad right here, so I'm going to dismount those again and paint these so it looks a lot better. But at least now the fitment is good and they look very good compared to the other ones, which were very bad. And we're also changing the door right now, as you can see. So the other one was quite dented. It's a lot better now with this. I showed you that in one of the previous episodes, that the door was looking pretty bad. So this is looking a little bit better than the other one, and it does not have a dent right there. And you see right there, we finally have this again complete, so the door works as it should. So we're now mounting like the windows and the locks and everything to make this work. A lot of upgrades with the car right now, but I think that is pretty nice that it's getting a real good upgrade. So it's now ready for summer, and yeah. Under here everything is now done. You see this small manual gearbox is complete, and we got the exhaust mounted all the way, and we actually cut off this bolt to replace them so it's easier to take off later. So now the exhaust is complete all the way back here. I am going to swap to like an M diffuser very soon as well, as soon as I will find one used. The car is shaping up quite nicely. There is also actually one more upgrade I have not told you about yet, and that is the like driving computer inside the coupe, because that had like pixel errors or what it's called, but or LCD faults, I don't know. But we have replaced it to this one. I was supposed to take like the big driving computer, but that doesn't work on this because it's not delivered with the big driving computer from factory. So now we have this, and it works. Okay, so the first thing we will do today is to fix the mirrors actually, and so I'm gonna dismount. I have already taken this off because we're fixing the door over there, and I will take off this so I can paint this and it will be looking nice again. Okay, removing of the mirror is really easy. It's just like 3 bolts there, and then disconnect this wire, and that's it. And I will now try just painting over, and I have found this in the garage, and I think it's diamond Schwarz. I don't know. I think it's diamond Schwarz. I don't know. And we have this clear coat, 2 coats acrylic paint. So we will use this, but first this. it dry for a little bit, and then we'll take the coat number 2. Let's mount the fog light and see if it works. I picked this up from my basement, so hopefully this works and does not have any water in it. And it looks good now, no water. But let's hope the electronic works and it gives me lights. It's time for a clear coat, so let's go. All done. Looks a lot better with black hair than like white, bad, rusty stuff. It looks a lot better than it did. Now it's just to mount the other side right there and the door cover, and we're almost done.